Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to see what Google Colab is and how we can use it. So Google Colab is based on Jupyter Notebook for Python, and in this you can run your Python code and you don't have to do anything, okay, you don't have to install anything, it just simply runs on your browser. So you can have code snippets, you can run them, you can get the output, and it works best if you have some data analysis project, if you have some data science project. Like you can see that I made a project of my foundation of data science, which I'll show you guys in a while. First I'll show you how you can use it, and the best part is it's free, you don't have to set up anything, and it supports GPU, so you get everything with a single click on Google's own website. So let's see how it works. So we click on a new notebook, so I'll just create a new notebook. And so this is my notebook, I can share it to anyone and they can also work on it, they can also see what it is, like that FDS project I worked with my friends. Yeah, so this is where you write your lines of code. Okay, if you see, this is where you upload the files, right? So if you have any file which you need to work on, for example, I had this file which I needed to work on. So this is just a bunch of data, right? This is a CSV file and this is a bunch of data. So I'm going to show you how you can upload it and how you can run some lines of code in this. Okay, so it's Python, so let's import some basic data analysis stuff. So we can say import numpy, import numpy as np, and then we say import pandas as pd. So numpy and pandas, these are all things used for data, right, in Python, in case you don't know. So import pandas as pd, and then I can say import matplotlib, import matplotlib, yeah, matplotlib as .pyplot, here we go, as plt, perfect. And then import os. So not everything is needed, but I'm just showing you what all I imported in my project. And then yeah, and this is how we can upload files. So if you want to upload a CSV file, like I told you, this is the CSV file which I wanted to work on, but this is in my laptop, right, and the code is running in the browser, so I need to upload this to my browser, only then I can work on it, right? So let's do that. So from Google.colab, what I can do is I can say import files, okay, and then I can just simply run this. Okay, yeah, so you can see that nothing really happened because this is it, we're just importing a bunch of stuff. Now this is where I upload. So uploaded is equal to files dot upload. Okay, and with this I'll be given the option to upload my file. Yeah, so now I can choose whatever file I want to upload. Like I wanted to upload a CSV file, like I told you. So what I can do is I can just go and download and find the file which I downloaded, which is somewhere around here, nifty, here we go. So this file will be uploaded. Yeah, so this file has been uploaded, and now I can just write a few more codes. Like I want it to be in data frame df is equal to pd dot read csv, because like I said, it's a CSV file, and then the name of the file which I want to read, which is nifty 50 underscore 2019.csv, and that's it. So df is equal to pd dot read underscore csv nifty 50 underscore 2019.csv, which is the file which I have just uploaded. You can see that the file has been uploaded here, right? And let's just run this. And perfect. And now I can just print whatever I've read, and you will see. So df will just show whatever I've read so far. And yeah, so you can see that whatever I've read, whatever was there in my CSV file is now there in Google Colab. And now I can run it, I can see, like this is nifty, right? I can see on which days the data was high, on which days the data was low. I can make predictions, and I can run some algorithms on this. Now, instead of doing anything like that here, I'll just show you what I did in my project, and you can see. So again, I'll just go to Google Colab, and the website is research.google.com collaboratory. You can just Google the word collab and you'll get it. So this is my FDS project which me and my friends completed, and so I'm going to show you how we did it. Yeah, so same thing, we first imported all these things and then we uploaded the file which we wanted to upload, and then we did all this. So you can see that this was authored by my friend. Yeah, so these were all the codes that we did. Right now the file is different, that's why it's not running. So after getting df, I can say df.info, I can say df.describe, I can then run all the graphs, I can visualize data and do all these cool things. So everything you can do in Google Colab itself. You don't need to do anything. All you need to do is just upload the data file, CSV file, whatever it is, to Google Colab, and then you can run so many codes. You can visualize the data, you can work on the data, you can find mean, median, mode, graphs, etc. And like that, you can work on your data science project without having any GPU on your computer, because everything you get on the browser itself. So that's all, guys. I hope you learned something from it. If you have any doubts, just put them in the comments. I'll be sure to answer. Thank you.